This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, all of you. Welcome to our online electrical course. So, yesterday we are talking about the drawing knowledge. We are talking about the drawing knowledge. So, drawing knowledge inside we can talking with TV schedule. Okay, so TV schedule. So, yesterday TV schedule already I have explained TV 10 ways TV is done. So, in the three steps TV. Three MCB is coming together, RYB, like that, okay? So this is one way. Another RYB, two way. Like that, up to coming in 10 way, okay? This is the 10 way DB. So this is 10 way DB. RYB one, another two, three, four, like that is coming, okay? So yesterday we are talking what is the meaning of wire size? 3 into 2.5 mm square PVC. Same like that, in you can check in PV schedule in uh, number of weight is 2. Number of weight is 2. 2 number of weight, that is writing 4 into 4 plus 2 into 2.5 mm square PVC. First one, number of one weight, there is writing is 3 into 2.5 mm square. PVCCU. In number of 2, writing it 4 into 4 plus 2 into 2.5 mm square. PVCCU. So what is the meaning of this one? I will explain this one. Yesterday I explained 3 into 2.5 mm square means 3 wire is coming in 2.5 mm square. One rate, one phase, one neutral, and one off. Okay. So same like that. So 4 into 4 plus 2 into 2.5 mm square. What is the meaning of this one? I will explain about this. Okay, so here I am writing as per in this schedule 4 into 4 plus 2 into 2.5 mm square. Okay, so this 4 means this meaning 4 wire, 4 wire, and this 4 into another 4 means wire size. Size, okay, and plus this 2 means again 2 wire, 2 wire. Into 2.5 mm square means this 2 bar is 2.5 mm square. Okay. So let's this means 4 bar means this is 4 bar means 2 phase and 2 neutral. 2 phase and 2 neutral. Total 4 bar. Okay. 2 phase, 2 neutral. 4 bar into this is the wire size 4 mm square. This 4 bar is 4 mm square. First 4 is 4 bar. 4 bar, this means 2 phase, 2 Newton. Okay? And another 4 means wire size 4 mm square. This 4 bar is 4 mm square. And plus this 2 means 2 wire. Another 2 means 2 wire. Plus into 2.5. This 2 wire is 2.5 mm square. So how many wires is total? There is 4 wire. Okay, plus these 2 wire. This means how many? 4 and 2, 6 wire total. Okay, 6 wire. So before only 3 wire is coming, normal wiring system. One phase, one neutral and one off. Now coming in 2 phase, 2 neutral and these 2 wires earthing. These 2 wires earthing. Okay, earthing. Okay, so this means total 6 wire. 6 wire, what time we will use? If your circuit is ring circuit, power socket wiring time, we can using in 6 wire. This 6 wire is coming in ring circuit. Okay, 6 wire is coming ring circuit wiring time. Okay, ring circuit wiring time, 6 wire is coming. So in circuit we can using in power socket outlet wiring time we can using in 6 wire. So in DB the number of waves is 2. You check here there is only 4 into 4 plus 2 into 2.5 mm square. So you are clear about this. First 4 is 4 wire. 4 wire means 2 base wire, 2 neutral wire. And another 4 meaning side of the wire. Side of the wire. Okay. And plus 2 wire means this is the earthing wire. Earthing wire. This is earthing wire. So 4 wire, 2 phase, 2 neutral, and plus this 2 wire is earthing. So earthing is always using a value of the power cable size. So our power cable size is 4 mm square. 4 mm square. 2.5 mm square. Okay.
Sir, 2 में how many phases, how many neutrals, sir?
This 2 is, I am already writing, this 2 is earthing wire, only earthing wire. This is earthing wire. This 4 means 2 phase, 2 neutral. This earthing wire is 2.5 mm square, okay? 2.5 mm square. Guys, always earthing wire is a value of power cable. We can using in a value of power cable. So our power cable is 4 mm square. 4 mm square. So we can using in 2.5 mm square earthing wire. So this type of wiring is coming in ring circuit wiring. If you working with ring circuit in power power socket outlet, power socket wiring time. We can using in ring circuit. Okay. We can using in ring circuit.
Sir.
Okay, clear about this one, not confused. 4 into 4 plus 2 into 2.5 mm square. So this means 4 wire, 4 mm square, 2 wire, 2.5 mm square. 4 wire means 2 phase, 2 neutral. And 2 wire means 2 wire earthing. This is size, earthing size is 2.5 mm square. Total wire is coming, one circuit, 6 wire. And this type of wiring is ring circuit wiring. This is clear, okay?
Okay, sir.
So I hope all of you are clear, yes? another one is another also have. So we are complete 3 into 2.5 mm square, and another 4 into 4 plus 2 into 2.5 mm square. This is complete. Okay, these two meaning we are complete. Now next one is writing in 4 into 2.5 mm square PVC. TP. If TP is using triple pole type three-phase MCB is using in DB, that time only center is writing, not writing in upside, not writing in downside. There is RYB, three phases, one circuit. So you can check in your DB schedule number 4. You can check in number 4, okay? In DB schedule number 4, there is writing RYB. R, nothing is writing here. B, nothing is writing here. Only Y, 10 ampere TP writing here. TP means triple pole. This means red phase, yellow phase, and blue phase. Your load side is 3-phase equipment. If writing like that, your load side is 3-phase equipment is there. R, no writing anything. B, no writing anything. Y, 10 ampere TP. TP means triple pole. I am already told. TP means triple pole or 3-phase. So your equipment load area, this is 3-phase equipment is there. So we can using in 3-phase TP. If writing only center, not writing in R phase, not writing in Y phase, blue phase, only center area writing in Y phase. That means you think this is 3-phase MCB. We can installation 3-phase MCB is there. You see there is red also writing, yellow also writing, blue also writing. This means all are single phase. SP, single phase MCB, this one. If no writing in red and blue, writing in the center of the yellow phase, and there is also mentioned in TP. TP means triple pole. This means 3-phase MCB is installation in number 4 ways. Number 4 ways. This DB number 4 ways. 1 way, all are single phase. 2 way, all are single phase. 3 way, all are single phase. Red also single, yellow also single, and blue also single. But in 4 way, this 4 way, you can take there is red, nothing is writing. Blue, nothing is writing. Only center writing. And there is writing in 10 ampere TP. So TP means triple pole. 3-phase MCB. We can installation 3-phase MCB is here. You can clear about this one, okay? So if every phase is writing, this means single phase. Red phase writing, yellow phase writing, blue phase writing in wire side. This means this is single phase MCB. You can installation single phase MCB. If only writing in center part of the breaker weight, that time there is mentioned in TP also. So TP means triple pole. So you can installation 3-phase MCB. Okay, you can installation 3-phase MCB. So this is the system of drawing. You can check the drawing in what types of MCB also in installation here. What is the size of this one? All are given in there. Number of the ways. 1 way, 2 way, 3 way. First line. Second line. Phase sequence. Red phase, yellow phase, blue phase. This is phase sequence. Number 3rd line. MCB. How many ampere MCB or ELCB? If only number coming, this means MCB. If number after star coming, this means ELCB. You can clear about this one. If the only numbering system is coming, 6, 10, 15 like that, no star in back side of the number, this means only MCB. If the back side is star coming, this means ELCB or RCCB, anyone you can installation here. And if the gap is like that and only center part writing and TP writing, you can installation triple pole MCB. Okay. Madam. Okay. So again, so this one is completed. Next one is writing in R5. No writing anything here. No writing it anything here. Only writing spare. SPARE, spare. Okay. So this means this is for future purpose. They can installation MCB. Okay. Installation MCB. Okay, installation MCB, but this is not wire is coming there. This is future purpose. We can using in future purpose. All this wire is writing. This means this is light. This have the load. No writing. There have no load. There is writing SPARE. Okay, so this means this is using for future purpose. We can make already MCB is installation here. Okay, 6 ampere, 10 ampere, 15 ampere, all are installation is here. But there is no wire is coming there. There have no any load. This is used for future purpose. If future we can add something extra fan, extra AC, anyone. If we can installation in your building or anywhere, that time we can put the wire is there. This is already have the space. Okay. So spare means this is for future purpose. And writing blank. Blank means this is empty. Nothing is coming there. Nothing is coming there. There is not writing also MCB side. So MCB fixing and spare writing, this means this is using for future. If any circuit is added in building or industries anywhere, that time we can using in this DB2. But no, this is writing in blank. Okay, so these are the DB schedule. So you can clear about this one in DB. First, number of the way. You can take this one in DB schedule. Second one, phase sequence. Red phase, yellow phase, blue phase, which phase is installation you can wiring in there. You can take this one. Number 3 lines, MCB. How many? Our socket is different wiring. not in together, combining each other. Okay, so lighting separate going and power socket is separate circuit, separate coming there. Okay, so power, because power socket we can using in 4 mm square in standard wiring, and lighting in standard wiring we can using in only 2.5 mm square. So this is separate. And next one is how many quantity of the lights and equipment name, where is going. This is the load quantity, how many quantity. So most important is these 4 things in schedule: number of the way, phase sequence, MCBM, and wire size. You can check in this one. This is the most important. Before start in DV wiring, you can check in DV schedule in wire size and color code of the wire, and after number of the weight. Okay, so this is DB schedule. You can clear about this one. So another next one is, this is cable tray layout drawing. This is also electrical. In building or industries, maximum work is cable tray work is in work. Cable tray to going armored type cable, glanding type cable in cable tray to going. Conduit to going PVC wire, wiring wire using for lighting purpose, fan purpose. But cable tray to going in armored type cable. This is cable. Okay, so this types of cable is going through cable tray, going to cable tray or cable ladder. Okay, so in wire only going to conduit. This is wire, so wire is going to conduit. PVC wire, this is flexible type. Okay, you see, but cable is hard, so cable is going to trunking or cable tray. So cable tray work also you can working in industries or building. This is the cable tray drawing. Cable tray class also coming. That time I will explain more of you. But only I can talking about the major thing of cable tray. What you see in there. After deeply going to our cable tray course. Okay. Cable tray is coming next week. I will explain that time. So cable tray, you can check in 2 things in cable tray drawing. Okay. First, you can check in cable tray size. First front, there is writing 150 into 50 mm square. This means cable tray size is upside writing. 150 into 50 mm square. 50 mm. So this means the cable tray size. And BOT plus 3726 mm. BOT. What is the meaning of BOT? Bottom of the cable tray. Bottom of the cable tray. So you can installation in cable tray in high level. That time there is writing in, if you in installation. So before we are talking about work in height. What is the height? Height level is coming plus or minus from FFL2, finishing floor level 2. So this is plus writing means finishing FFL2 offside coming. If here is writing minus, this means finishing floor level 2 downside coming. So always measurement is coming FFL, finishing floor level 2, anywhere, not measurement in ceiling to down. You should be measuring finishing floor level, because your ceiling, your slab is not coming a good level. This is not coming good level. Ground floor, they are make the in engineer and surveyor give the scale of the 1 meter and give the finishing floor level. So that time you can use any time if you measurement in building or industry. you should be use the ground level, not using in high level, slab level and ceiling level. Okay, so you should be using in FFL, finishing floor level to you can measurement. So this means BOT, bottom of the cable tray, bottom of the cable tray. Okay, this is your cable tray. Okay, so this one is bottom. This is your bottom. This is high level and bottom. So finishing floor level too, you can measurement in the bottom. This is the bottom of the cable tray. BOT, bottom of tray, bottom of the tray. Okay, so this is bottom. Base is always bottom, and another is height. Okay, so you can measurement always in bottom of the cable tray. This is the bottom cable tray. Okay, so BOT means bottom of the tray. Always you can measurement is there in finishing floor level 2. 3725 mm. What is the meaning of plus means? Always you can write you can measure in FFL to off level. Okay, not minus level, off level. So always drawing is given is mm. Here is writing mm. 3725 mm. This means you can convert in mm to centimeter. 372.5 centimeter. If you convert to meter, 3 meter 3.725 meter. So you can convert in this one. Okay, very easy. 1 centimeter inside has 10 mm. We can already take the knowledge of this one in drawing measurement time. Okay, so always the drawing is given mm. You can should be taken mm. Okay, all are giving mm. So in this main thing is 150 in 50 mm means 150 wide of the cable tray. This one wide of the cable tray is 150 mm. This means 15 centimeter. Okay, and this 50 mm is height of the cable tray. This is the height. This is height of the cable tray. This one is height of the cable tray. This is height 50 mm, half centimeter. 50 mm. This is 50 mm, and this one is here is writing 150, 15 cm. But this is 300 mm. This one. Okay, this one is 300 mm, and height is 50 mm. 300 into 50, but in drawing writing 150. 150 means half of cable tray. This will. So cable tray is so many sizes have. This chapter coming, I will explain about this one. Okay, only I give the knowledge of BOT, bottom of the tray. Bottom of the tray means base of the tray. You can tray installation always the height, ceiling to downside, and FFL to height. So always writing in plus. You can care about this one. Okay, so cable tray drawing is coming like that. This is the T. This one is offset. This marking is offset. You can make the up or down. This is coming in cable tray class. Okay, I am not explain more. Only explain about this one. How to see the drawing in cable tray. So offside always give the there is one writing is giving there. You can check there is divided into 2 parts. Okay, offside give the cable tray size and downside give the measurement of the cable tray going route. Okay, so you can check in this one only, and next one is we can explain in cable tray drawing. Okay. Lighting layout. This is the lighting layout. Okay, so many light is inside here. You can see is there so many lights inside have there. So you can check this light is inside one light, outside is another light. And these all are the lights, decoration lights. We have so many lights, tube light, bulb light, some decoration light. Decoration light are coming in, as in ceiling decoration. Okay. So these all are the lights. You can check where is going. This arrow is, you can check. This is DB1, D4. So DB distribution board number 1 and B4 means blue circuit, 4 ways, 4 number going, 4 number. So we have the number of ways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that way. So you can clear about this one. DB1 means distribution board number 1. And
Sir,
4 means blue circuit. Yes.
all bulbs are connected in series or parallel? Lights.
Parallel.
Okay, sir.
Parallel and series circuit is coming next class. I will explain about this one. Okay. Just you can take
okay,
the
sir.
drawing knowledge now. Now maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow parallel and series circuit is coming. That time I will explain you. Just you
Okay,
can
sir.
take the drawing knowledge. Okay. Okay. So this one is DB1. You can take this only for how to see the drawing. You can know about this one. So parallel series circuit. Tomorrow or next tomorrow subject is this one. I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here is writing 2 gang 2G means there have the 2 switches coming. You can check there is 2G, 2 gang. 2 gang means this 2 switches coming there. This is the symbol of intermediate switch. Here is writing 1 gang, 1G. Okay. Here is writing in 1G. 1G means only 1 switch is coming there. 1 gang switch is coming there. 2G means 2 gang switches. 2 switches coming there. So you can take this one in drawing. Here is writing in 4G. You can see 4G. This means 4 switches coming this wall. Another 2G. 2 gang switch. 2 switches coming there. So you can take this one also. Okay. In drawing, in lighting layout drawing, you should be take the location of the switch. Where is the location of switch? And next one, which DB going? Here is going in DB1, all. Somewhere going is DB2 also. Okay. So you can take the DB number and circuit number. This is DB1, D5. This is DB1, R5. This means R means red phase. B means blue phase. Y means yellow phase. 4 means number of way, 4 way. 4 way going this one. This is going 5. Number of ways is 5. So you can check this one. In lighting drawing, you should be check the DB number and circuit number and switch location. These 3 things is important in lighting drawing, lighting layout. If you going to wiring in lights, you should be taking 3 things. First one, in DB, which DB to going in circuit, wiring cable, wire. And next one is, which color code wire is using for wiring. Red, yellow, blue. We have the 3 types of color code and 3 phase. Always in DB is coming 3 phase. But we can divide it in phase. Some red phase give to fan, yellow phase give to AC, like that. But your supply is coming 3 phase. We can divide it single phase. If the single phase device, we can give the single phase supply. If you have the 3 phase device, we can give the 3 phase supply. So you can check in there. So there is already mentioned. Only phase sequence writing, this is single phase. If TP writing, this means three phase is coming there. Okay. So this Three things is important for lighting drawing. Another is not one. Only first you take the knowledge of the DB. Where is the DB location? Next one is switch location. Where is the switch location and which types of switch? One way, two way, intermediate. This chapter also coming. You can check this one. And next one is circuit number. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and red phase, yellow phase, blue phase. Only three things are important for lighting drawing. And light location is always give the measurement. Center to center, how many is always give in drawing. Mention is drawing. No mention, you can measurement center of the light and another center of the light. How many distance you can give the point is there. This is very easy. So drawing scale maximum coming is 1 mm is equal to 100 mm. If you measure in 1 mm in drawing scale, in drawing sheet, you can use in field 100 mm. So this all are coming in drawing. Okay, you can check and do. This is lighting layout drawing. Okay, clear of lighting layout. Okay, so wiring also coming in our syllabus. That time I will more explain. This is power socket, TV and telephone. Okay, power socket. You see there is power socket. I have made the round of this one. This is power socket outlet. Power socket is always coming in floor level. Floor level to 4.50 mm, 450 mm. Okay. Total coming 450 mm level. And our switch height is 1250 mm. This chapter also coming. I will explain. But this sign is coming in power socket. You can using in power socket 4 mm wire. DB schedule already told to. Okay. So you can using in power socket 4 mm square, and always power socket is you can wiring it ring circuit. Ring circuit. 4 into 4 plus 2 into 2.5 mm square. This means power socket wiring time you need to 6 wire. But lighting wiring time you need to 3 wire only. Phase, neutral and off. But power socket wiring time you need to 2 phase, 2 neutral and 2 off. This is ring circuit. So ring circuit topics also coming. I will explain about this one. Okay. So this is power socket. You can check in drawing. क्लियर है मैडम? ये क्लियर आता है? ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज SMDB diagram. Okay, SMDB diagram. This is the SMDB layout also. Okay, so there are 3 SMDB. Okay, main switchboard 2. This is MSB, main switchboard 2. This all SMB are submain distribution board is going to MSB 22. Main switchboard 22. Okay, so SMDVR, sub-main distribution board R, SMDVG, SMDVF. So this is the name of the SMDV. SMDV symbol is this one. Okay, SMDV symbol is this one. Symbol of the SMDV. So this 120.9 kilowatt. Total load of this SMDV is 120.9 kilowatt. There is already writing. All load is coming like that. Okay. and there is writing D8200M. This 2 dB distance is this one, okay? And another one is same like this. This is the load of the DB, and this is also load of the 47.20 kilowatt load is there. And you see there is make the arrow and put like that. This means incoming cable. SMDB incoming cable 4 into 70 mm square. So 4 cable is coming there. 3-phase cable. 4 means inside has 4 wire like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Red, yellow, blue, black. 4. This is 4 70 mm square. And XLPE types of the cable. This cable section also coming in. I am explain about this one. Okay. Don't worry. This only you can how to see. Drawing knowledge. Only take the drawing knowledge. This chapter also we have. Okay. That time how to make the cable glanding. How many sizes of cable. This all are coming. I will explain that time. So this means 4 means 4 into 70 mm square. So this is the cable size. This is 4 inside cable core. This like that. Okay. 4 is this one. And after this one is 1 into 35 mm square. So before I am told to you, just before, 10 minutes before, always we can put the earthing cable is half value of the power cable. There is 70 mm cable. So half value of earthing is 35. So we can using in, this is single core, 1 core only writing. There is writing 1 core means only 1 cable using for earthing purpose, grounding purpose, okay? And 4 core using for power supply purpose, okay? So always coming in PVC ECC, earthing continuity conductor, ECC, earthing continuity conductor. ECC full form is earthing continuity conductor. So this means earthing. This one is power cable. Upside is power cable, downside is they are already mentioned. No, I am already told in drawing not mention its full form. You only give the symbol or short form. So ECC means earth continuity conductor. This is 1 core and 35 mm square. Always power cable to half value cable is coming earthing purpose. So next one is 4 core into 185 mm square. Same like that, 4 core cable is coming. This cable size is 185 mm square. Cable size is big, okay? So here is writing 1 core into 95 mm square. This is the earth. Here is not correct in 95 half value because sometimes we have not available in half value same cable. If that condition is coming, you can using in little bit of value of the earthing, little bit, not in down going, half value to down, not allowed. You can using in little bit of, this is not issue, but half value to down is not allowed to use. Sometimes not available in same half value cable. That time we can using in little bit of value, half value of the cable, okay? Not using, always using, not using in half value to down cable. So this is for main incomer in SMDVR 250 ampere TP MCCB. So SMDV or MDV we can using in MCCB, but DB distribution board we can using in only MCB, miniature circuit breaker. MCC multi case circuit breaker. This is big size coming and big ampere, 250 ampere, okay? and always coming in TP, triple pole. Okay, always coming in triple pole. This is always coming in triple pole. Same like that, SMDVG, 125 ampere TP MCCB. This means this is also three-phase MCCB. Always you think SMDV and MDB is using MCCB, multi case circuit breaker. But DB we can using in MCB, miniature circuit breaker. This is available single phase and three phase. You can put in your mind this important thing. Sometime in interview give the cross question also. This question. SMDV we can use MCB. Tell like that in interview. That time you tell not allowed to using MCB because this is small. Only MCB is using distribution board. SMDV or MDB we can using in MCCB, multi-case circuit breaker. Okay, so clear about this one. Don't forget this. Next one. और है ना बाकी 4-5 स्लाइड है. Okay. So we are completed today DB schedule and systematic diagram of SMDB. This is the symbol of SMDB. Load of the SMDB is already writing here, kilowatt. And this is symbol of SMDB. This is the distance between one SMDB to another SMDB. This is the power supply cable. And another downside is earthing cable. And MCCB means multi-case circuit breaker using for SMDB or MDB. So 250 amps means this is the amps of the MCCB. How many amperes? So this is 250 amps. Another is 125 amps. As per load, how many load is there? Depends with load. If we have the more load, we can using in big size MCCB. If we have the small load, we can using in small size MCCB. Okay. So in this systematic diagram, you can main important things is three things. First one, SMDB load. How many load is there? You can check this one. Next one is amps. How many ampere amps MCB is coming there? You check this one. And next one is cable size. These three things is important in systematic diagram of SMDB. Okay. So I hope all of you are clear about this one. So any questions in SMDB or DB schedule? Okay, I think I have no doubting in you. Okay, so we will coming in 15 minutes after in next class. Okay, so see you next class. Thank you.
Okay, sir.